How to view copied text history on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the App Store on your iPhone. Once you're here, tap on the search icon in the bottom right corner and type in Clipboard. From the search results, tap on the Clipboard++ application. Now, tap on Get beside it to download and install the application. After installing, open any app, such as Safari, and copy some text. Here, find and long press on any text to select it. Then, go back to your home screen and open the Clipboard++ application. You can now see that the text you just copied has been automatically saved to the app's history. Now, go back to Safari and copy another piece of text. If you go back to the Clipboard++ app, you'll see the newly copied text added to the top of the list. Following these steps, you can easily view the copied text history on an iPhone.